You're not gonna like this, guys. I bought the Uni remote yesterday. I set it here. I set it to this remote, and if I can get up here and get onto this TV, what? It's flashing, but the screen's not coming up. I was like, dude, what the heck? Then I found out this one's on this brand, Sony. So, what I read is kind of pretty interesting because, guys, if I could just grab the battery, the fresh one, because the other ones are in the other one. These are in baboosh. Well, you know what I was saying. So I put these batteries in this one, and then look. Oh, I just figured it out. It was these batteries. These ones are shit. Then look. Are you kidding me? No way. What the heck? Alright. Honestly, it's flashing, but I don't understand. This fucking thing doesn't work anymore. What the fuck? It worked the other day. This remote's possessed. Nah, it doesn't work. Stupid thing. You bloody kidding me. It worked before, now it doesn't work anymore. But I try to press this uni. Nothing. So they both failed me. The uni and the normal remote. Ah, how pathetic. I'll just use the button ones as a game. Oh well, I tried, guys. Nothing's working.